Hi, Shaggy.
Hey,
How you doing today?
I'm jealous because the other little long-haired Chihuahua got a nice cool bath on this hot day, and they just brought me in here because I wasn't dirty.
Well, it's nice to be a clean little Chihuahua.
I know, but I wanted to go in that nice cool water.
Well, I don't blame ya.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes all those big dogs out there.
Like, Julia, I'm almost unafraid of the camera. Here,
Well,
is that better?
Oh, it is better.
No, okay.
Oh yes. We can all see how very cute you are.
Yeah, I want some designer leashes, and you know that Beverly Hills Chihuahua? I want to have all them fancy clothes and a diamond-studded collar. Do you
Aww.
think that I've earned it in my puppy mill life so far, Joy?
I do. I think you've earned it.
Okay. And I only want to eat people food.
Now that I don't think you deserve.
Caviar and
No.
escargot and...
No. Say,
Okay, I'll eat those.
Roy.
No, not Roy. I want fancy stuff. I want holistic vet and organic food.
Okay, well, fancy pants. We gotta go.